This is an AGB double European profile cylinder. It's actually only a 4-pin lock, which normally would mean which normally I would be like, oh god, it's a 4-pin lock. But this one is actually pretty good for a 4-pin lock. It's made very well. It has serrated and spool pins in it, even though it's a small lock. To get into it, I'm going to use my Covert Instruments 40 thousandths pry bar in the top of the keyway. I'm sorry about the light. It's a little gloomy here in Florida today. And I'm going to use my 20 thousandths Covert Instruments standard hook. So going in, nothing on 1, nothing on 2, little click out of 3, maybe a couple clicks out of 3, click out of 4. I dropped something. Alright, so that's 4. And then 1, 2. Maybe I got too much tension on it. It's going in. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we're in a false set. So I'm going to go back into number 2. And number 2 opened it. But that's the AGB European profile cylinder.